Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a program that basically adds names to an array, and if the same name is already in that array, it's going to tell us that the name has already been added, and then it's going to exit the program. So first of all, I've created an array here called names and it's emptied. And now I've created a subroutine called update name. So we're going to use a while loop here. So we're going to loop through. So while 1. So this is going to be while until something happens. So first of all, we're going to print off a message to the user. Print enter name. And then we're going to get that name by using chomp and standard image. So I'm going to create a scalar variable called scalar name. Whoops, made a mistake there. Name, and we're going to assign that to standard input. Okay. Right, now we're going to come down onto the conditional, and we're going to use something called grep to search that array. So the conditional is if. Then we're going to use grep here. Then we're going to do some curly braces. And we're going to use this here. This will iterate. Oh, not this. The keyboard keys are worn, you see. So we're going to iterate over this array. So if this iterator is going to be equal to a scalar name that's already in there, of course, that's the array there that we're searching. We're going to do something. Okay, we're going to print name already exists, quitting program, and then a new line there. So we're going to quit the program by using last here, so that should quit the program. So if we let me just make that look a bit better. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to enter a name which is going to push it into the array. Well, it's going to search the array first, and if the name that we entered is already there, we're just going to quit the program. Or else, this is where we use our catch-all else. Else, if that is not the case, we're going to do something else. Right, so if that's not the case, then we're going to use this command here called push. And we're going to state the array here, which is names. Names. Oh, what the hell's happening with my keyboard here? Names. Okay, so that's the names. And then the scalar name. So we're going to push that name into the array. And then we're going to print name added to array. Okay. And we're just going to interpolate the name into here so we can see what the name was that we added to the array, and then a new line there. And then we'll just print out the whole array itself so we can see what's happening. So this is going to be names and a new line there, so that should be all right. Hopefully we've not made any typos here. So what we're going to do is we're going to save it, and to run the program we're going to have to call it by its name. So it's called update name. Okay, so let's save that. Let's run it. Okay, I'm going to make it a bit bigger for you to see. Okay, so I'm going to enter a name, Mark. Okay, name added to the array, Dave. Okay, so we've added Dave to the array, and that's the array now, Bill. Okay, now I'm going to enter Bill to the array again because we know it's already in there. Let's see what happens. And there we go, we've exited the program. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. If you want to have a quick closer look at that code, we'll just zoom in a little bit there and we can get that all on for you. So there you go, that's the code for you. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, it would be a good idea to do so. And while you're at it, give it a big thumbs up as well. And thank you very much for coming this far in the video. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.